everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Great car, guys. Actually bought this car locally from a gentleman by the name of Mike. Great guy. I think he said he's owned this car for the last 5 years. This is an older restoration. It's a car, it's got, you know, if you're going to nitpick this car, guys, this is not a car with show quality paint on it. It's nice, but you can nitpick it. I've had a lot of people calling and asking for stuff like this. They're not wanting to spend 50 grand on a car, and I totally get that. What this is just a good, solid, straight 69 Camaro. It's a Z28 Tribute, so it's not a real Z. But just a great running, driving, solid, straight Camaro. Again, the paint's pretty. It's got a great look to it. As we walk around it, you're going to see it's, but it's just got some spots that you can pick at it. Cowl hood. Again, it's got it. Looking at the car, it looks like a Z28, but it is a Tribute, guys. Again, you can kind of nitpick. It's got a couple little marks on the bumpers. Love the little bumperettes on it. It's got the cowl hood. And you see a little crack there. It's Garnet red, which is a factory 69 color. A little bit of a light spot in the paint there. Again, I don't want you to think that the paint is just horrible, guys, but so many of these cars we sell sight unseen, you know, and I don't want you to get there and go, oh gosh, you didn't tell me about this. So listen, you can pick the paint. Things like this, you can see a little touch-up mark there. You can kind of nitpick the bumper here. But again, good straight car. And Mike, great guy, man. I mean, exactly what I think somebody's going to do with this car. He loved the car, drove it, had a blast with it. Now he's actually building a pro touring car now. And but like he said, man, he just had a lot of fun with this car. Said he never worried about it. You know, he loved driving it. And the car's a great driver, man. Runs and drives excellent. It's got some power. It's got a nice little cam to it. Good car, really good car. I love it's got the BFGs with the 15-inch rallies. I love the flat caps on it. There's a couple, you can see a little pimple there. Like I say, you can nitpick some stuff on the car, but it's nice. Disc brakes. Looks like a 302, it's not. It's a 350, guys. Little mild cam to it. Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. It's got the Winters GM aluminum intake, ceramic headers, power steering, again, power front disc brakes. It's got a Muncie close ratio 4-speed. Car's got a great look. Like I say, it looks just like a Z. Thinned aluminum valve covers. It's got the correct breather on it. And you kind of nitpick the mirror there. They've definitely replaced the door handles. The window fuzzies and stuff like that are in good shape. Factory black vinyl interior. Bucket seats. console, tilt sport wheel. This is nice when you got a little belly like me. Really helps getting in these Camaros. Jay's back here laughing. I don't know what he's laughing at. He's getting bald and he's getting a belly. 71,811 on the odometer. That is supposed to be the original miles. Mike added the tach, and he also so it's got a factory tach in it, AM/FM radio, and then it's got the aftermarket Autometer gauges in it. Hurst shifter, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12 bolt 373 limited slip rear end, which is very cool. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. I think, actually, I think the driver's side's got the original quarter. I think they put a passenger quarter on this car side. Did a good job. Good car, man. Fun car to drive. Car's just got a great look. Floors are solid. Love that 12 bolt. So again, as you walk around the car, I mean, it just screams Z28. I like it, man. I like the car a lot, man. I like the color. I like the stance. Seats are in great shape. The interior is very nice. Dash is in good shape. Parking brake works. You can hear Jay setting it. Again, little cam to it. Hood open, the door shut nice on the car. Front and rear spoilers. Again, the parking brake does work. Tach works. All your gauges down there do work. That fuel gauge he said every now and then may kind of stick. So if you just tap it, it just comes up. Even the reverse lights work. Good car, man. Blower motor works, radio works. Again, your gauges are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a good-looking car, man. Have a great day, guys.